Yo, guys, so I told you guys, if you guys watched my last video, you guys would have caught this trade with me today. I'm going to go onto the charts and show you guys a beautiful loan that I took. I called out to everybody in the academy. It was a beautiful trade. I called it out in the YouTube video. So if you didn't watch, then I'm sorry. Put your post notifications on so you guys catch it before lending session. I try to post this video before lending session so you guys can watch it and see my breakdown for the trade, right? So we're going to get right into the charts. Remember, if you guys are interested in joining the academy, I got 2 spots left open. So email me. It's in my last video. I posted in there, Alex Romero 11 underscore on Instagram. Beautiful trade last night, huge loans, called it right out to a T on YouTube and to Telegram. Not the Telegram, the Academy. And we called it out. So see you in the charts. So now that we're on the charts, first of all, I hope you guys like the vlog type of style video. It was nice and quick. That's kind of how I wanted it. I wanted a nice and quick video. All I did was go to the gym the other day. I didn't really do any of soccer training that I usually do, my morning routine or anything like that. I kind of just completely forgot. But a couple of you guys liked it, so I'm happy about that. But I'm gonna break down GBJPY, what's going on, and what I'm looking for tonight. So if you look at the zone up here, right? Look at the zone, and it's gonna it's gonna show you on the higher time frames more of what it's capable of, right? It's a huge support and resistance area over here, right? You have the huge root to the upside, right, and then a complete rejection down, right? When you look over here, the same thing has happened, right? Same thing has happened. We get a huge push up, and then we get a rejection to the downside, right? So we have so yeah, that's what ended up happening. So in this scenario, right? In this scenario, I was kind of skeptical of going long because of the fact that we were at such a high area, right? We're at a big area that we just rejected from. But if you look at the 12-hour or any other time frame, and you set your fib, it has came down to perfectly reject your 0.23 area on the fib, on the Fibonacci, right? So that was kind of an indication that we could be going long, right? We could be going long. Why didn't that change colors? So we could be going long. So I was going to be real picky with my entries, make sure they weren't too high, something I was comfortable with. And I broke it down to a lower time frame, right? Come session, right? Come session after rejecting once, we came down, rejected to the downside, this area of support and resistance that we have drawn again, and we started pushing forward, right? We did come down and reject this area again. So that was kind of like, maybe we're going to go long. Maybe we're going to go long and break through this area, right? And then take another entry as we break these highs. So that's exactly what we did, right? This was in session, right? We're going to close into session. So we're closing into session, right? Now we're before session, we're about an hour before session. We have this area we're rejected during market closure. We have this area we're rejected during market closure. And I was kind of looking to break that. If we were to break this area we rejected during market closure, the retest down here, we were going to break it. We're probably most definitely going to reach and clear this gap. And then hopefully, hopeful thinking, we were going to break and hit these zones up here, right? So as the trade was breaking into this area, we went break even because the area that we were at. And then we were able to secure a little in the middle, right? We secured a little in the middle, but we added a position. Why did we add a position? Because price did exactly what we said. Price continued to break up, clear that gap, right? And then we impulse broke above these highs, right? These overall highs. And then we completely obliterated take profits, right? We actually ended up taking an entry right here and here, as we broke above again, and then we took profits to our next zone, which then was pretty precise entry because we did go a little bit higher, but we ended up rejecting that area very strongly, as you see right there. Boom. So that is what happened last night. Now, what's gonna happen tonight? So what's gonna happen tonight? Well, it's a little not clear right now, but if you push up and you look at market structure, right, we are bullish on the weekly time frame, but look at what we're doing, right? We have weight to the upside so bad, right? And if you go to the daily time frame, same thing, right? Same exact reactions we're getting, right? Wait to the upside, close under, and then we dropped, right? Wait to the upside, we closed back under, and now we're kind of just waiting now. Now I'm kind of just waiting. I feel like nothing is pretty right now. I feel like nothing is pretty. I do have this little mini trend line right here that I feel as though we might have rejected this area over here to now go short, but I don't know, right? We're still bullish. Technically, right now, we're still at a higher low point, right? Higher low, and then pulled up, and then pulled another higher low. So it's tricky, right? It's tricky. What am I hoping for? Well, this is the structure point that needs to be broken, right? That's the area I want to break. So as soon as price breaks under and retest, I'm going to erase this one. I actually have price clearing this entire zone just like it did here. 260 pips over here, right? Look at the zone. I'm looking to retest, right? Break under, retest. Look what happens. Once we reached right here, huge rejection. Once we reached up here again before, huge rejection. It just happens every single time. You just have to look at history, right? So if we were to break under and retest, guess what? Guess what? I have price dropping all the way down 280 fucking pips, right? That's what I have GJ doing. That's my breakdown on GJ. That's my recap on GJ last night on Bear Bulls. Hopefully, you guys catch this with me. Remember, we want a break and we want price to retest this area. If you guys are in, by the way, here is my profit screen, proving it to you guys again, or maybe I'll add it in the beginning of the video. I don't know. I just like to be just transparent as I can. It was just right under a 2% win. Um, but what else do I have to say? What do I have to say? Yeah, if you guys are interested in joining the FX Academy with me and all my other students, yo, guys, I would send you guys a form. Email me, hit me up on Instagram at AlexRomero11 underscore. If you guys have any more questions, leave a comment. I'll see those two if you're interested. Let me know. See you guys later. Deuces.